Hey friends, if you've ever wanted to create stunning 3D animated videos without spending a penny, you're going to love what I'm about to show you.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Life Note. In this video, I will guide you step by step on turning a simple idea into a complete animated video, which includes consistent characters, beautiful music, and 3D style visuals. In the past, making such films required a full team, including screenwriters, animators, and music producers, which was very costly. Now, thanks to AI, you can completely do all this by yourself. Now, let me demonstrate a specific method. Set the film theme and ask GPT to write the script for our film. Starting with character feature descriptions and scene planning, I set the theme as 3D animated princess restoration, detailing the female lead's characteristics. Coming out alone ensures consistency in characters. After confirming the character and scene, to ensure high accuracy in the film, I recommend using image-to-video techniques for the film. I requested ChatGPT to provide image and video prompts in English for subsequent video production. There are many tools on the market. Today, we will use Piclumen AI free image tool. Choose to register using Google or any preferred email. Click to create and access the operation interface. Fill in the image prompts in the input box. Then choose the aspect ratio. Set the number of images. Click Generate. Please note that this content must feature the previously described female lead's characteristics to ensure character consistency. If the image results aren't to your liking, click Rerun. Piclumen will use the same setting to generate a new image. To download the image, simply hover the mouse over the image and then click the small arrow icon. Now let's use Runway AI to bring your images to life. This is a super intuitive tool that can turn static images into smooth films and clips. Click the link in the description and go register at Runway. Each free account will have 125 points, enough to make 5 videos. Click on the left dashboard. There, select Generate Video. Then choose to launch in tool mode. There, select Video. Now, to convert the images into a video, please click here to upload images. Fill in the prompts and video dimensions. Then click Generate. Runway will take a little time to process, and then a wonderful animated scene is now complete.
If you like my content, please light up the red heart, subscribe to the channel, share, and turn on the little bell. Every time you support me, you are helping small creators like me grow and inspiring me to bring more valuable teaching in the future.
Music is one of the souls of the film. You can use ChatGPT to help you write songs. But this time, we are using Sonodo AI to help us create music. Choose the easy mode. For the rock symphony about the princess restoration,
1,000 voices calling her home again. Stone by stone it keeps the colors ride the wind. 1,000 voices calling her home again. Stone by stone a kingdom.
You can also choose classic mode. Fill in the music style. Select no lyrics. Finally, use the video editor to integrate all the content. Add your favorite transition effects to make scene changes look smoother and more lively. You can properly add subtitles so the audience can understand the story better. Finally, the final piece will be released. Now, your children's animated video can be uploaded anytime. Just like that, you use the free AI tool to create a complete animated film. The work will be showcased later for everyone to enjoy. Do you find the video useful? Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe and share with friends, and turn on the little bell Also, please leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts. Every interaction you have is my motivation to keep creating.
Peaceful life. Then aliens came. Her home was lost, but she swore to fight back. With her sword, she set off to the stars. Robots blocked her way, but she stood strong. She found friends, and they joined her quest. In the dark pyramid, she almost gave up. Her sword shined bright, and her courage returned. The team planned their final battle. She faced the villain in a great fight. She was hurt, but she won back the treasure. She came home, the people cheered. But no dangers wait in the stars.